Hey, oh, Poe! Welcome to Clipsmixxx channel. Poe, we have three surprise eggs. Christmas surprise eggs. The first one. Number two. Merry Christmas. And the third one. What's inside? Oh, it's Dipsy. Oh,
Dipsy.
Dipsy, and the surprise egg. Oh, Tinky Winky, Tinky Winky, Tinky Tinky, Tinky Winky, Tinky Tinky, Tinky Winky. Okay, Poe, what's the last one, Poe? Guess, Poe. This is my favorite. Oh, Lala. Oh, Lala. This is Lala. Lala is playing around and around and oh, Lala. Oh. Where's your hat? Oh, here is your hat. Bam! Thank you very much. Until next time, Clipsmixxx. Bye-bye.